Are you tired of sending out countless resumes with no response? What if I told you that a powerful AI tool could transform your resume into a standout masterpiece? In this video, we'll explore how to harness the capabilities of ChatGPT to create a resume that not only catches the eye of recruiters, but also showcases your unique skills and experiences. Get ready to unlock stunning results that could land you your dream job. What is ChatGPT? First, let's talk about ChatGPT. This is an AI language model designed to generate human-like text. It can help you with writing, editing, and even personalizing your resume based on the information you give it. Perfect for those who want a professional touch without spending hours drafting. Why use ChatGPT for your resume? So, why use ChatGPT for resume writing? Here are 3 big reasons. 1. Time saving. ChatGPT can create a draft for you in minutes by just asking a few questions. 2. Customization. You can easily tailor resumes for specific jobs by adding keywords directly from job descriptions. 3. User-friendly. Even if you're not confident in writing, simple prompts are all you need to get a polished result. Let's see how easy it can be. Getting started with ChatGPT. Step 1. Create an account. First, make sure you're signed up on ChatGPT if you're not already. Just head to OpenAI's website, openai.com, and set up an account. Step 2. Gather your information. Next, collect some essential details that will go into your resume. Personal information, your name, contact info, etc. Education background, degree, school and graduation date. Work experience, job titles, companies, and dates of employment. Skills, hard and soft skills, certifications and achievements. Anything that makes you stand out. Getting this organized will make the process much faster when you start with ChatGPT. Crafting your resume with ChatGPT, using prompts effectively. Let's talk about prompts. These are key to guiding ChatGPT to produce exactly what you need. Here are a couple of examples. I am a job title with X years of experience in industry. Here's my work history and skills. Can you create a resume for me? Or if you're targeting a specific job, I'm applying for a specific job title. Here's the job description. Can you tailor my resume to highlight relevant skills? Drafting sections. Let's break down how to create each section. 1. Objective statement. Try a prompt like, can you write a compelling objective for my resume? 2. Work experience. You can share your past job descriptions and ask, can you summarize these into impactful bullet points? Refining the draft. Need more impact? Ask for improvements. Say something like, can you make this bullet point stronger by adding achievements or metrics? ChatGPT can revise for clarity and power, which is ideal for showcasing your strengths. 5. Finalizing your resume. Editing and formatting. Now that you have the content, it's time to polish. ChatGPT will give you the text, but you'll want to format it yourself into a clean, professional layout. Reviewing content. Always review the content for accuracy and tweak it so it sounds like you. AI might get technical, so add a bit of your personality back in. Tailoring for each job application. Remember, no 2 job applications are the same. Before each submission, use ChatGPT to incorporate specific keywords from the job description to boost your chances. Common pitfalls to avoid. There are a couple of things to watch out for. 1. Generic phrases. AI can sometimes produce overly formal or generic language. Add specific examples from your career to make your resume unique. 2. Over-reliance on AI. Make sure to proofread and personalize. ChatGPT is a powerful tool, but your unique voice will make your resume stand out. And there you have it, a professional resume in no time, thanks to ChatGPT. It's a game changer, from quick drafts to tailored applications. Give ChatGPT a try and let us know your experience in the comments below. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more AI tips and tricks. And check out our other videos for more ways to use AI in your job search. Thanks for watching the Tutorial Lab. See you next time.